Hi, my name is Dickie. Today I'm sharing with you a special Japanese cuisine called kushi-age, cooked specially restaurant in Japan. The chef cooked the skewer at the table right in front of the diner, piece by piece. If you have a portable cooker and pan suitable for the table cooking, you can try to enjoy the dish in the traditional style. My student Linda will present to you step by step cooking this special Japanese recipe for you. I hope you will enjoy the presentation.
Hi, my name is Linda. We will talk about the step-by-step guide on how to cook kushi-age at home. In the traditional style using a portable cooker and pan suitable for tabletop cooking. In Japan, kushi-age is cooked at specialty restaurants. The chef cooks the skewers at the table right in front of the diners, piece by piece. Provide a step-by-step guide on how to prepare and cook kushi-age at home in the traditional Japanese style, simulating the experience of dining at a specialty restaurant. Include detailed instructions on ingredients, skewering techniques, cooking methods, and serving recommendations. First, we will have a list of ingredients. 2-3 slices day-old white bread, crusts removed, and roughly chopped, 350 g beef fillet, sirloin, or rump steak, cut into thin strips, 12 small button mushrooms, wiped with a damp cloth. For spring onion shallot whites, cut into 12 3 cm pieces, 1-2 red capsicum, cut into 2. 5 m squares 2-3 cup 100 g flour, 1 egg, beaten, 2 cups 500 milliliters vegetable oil tonkatsu or barbecue sauce, to serve. Now we can start cooking. Now we start cooking. Number 1. Place the bread in a food processor and use the pulse control to chop the bread into coarse, soft breadcrumbs. This should make about 1 cup 90 g fresh breadcrumbs set aside. Number 2. Weave the beef strips onto 12 thin wooden skewers. Add a mushroom, a piece of spring onion, and a square of capsicum to each skewer. Number 3. Spread the 4 onto a plate and roll the skewers in the flour to coat evenly. Pour the egg onto a plate and roll the skewers in the egg. Spread the breadcrumbs on a plate and roll the skewers in the crumbs, coating them thickly. Squeeze each skewer to set the crumbs. Number 4. Heat the oil in a wok until medium hot. Fry the skewers in 2-3 batches for about 3 minutes, turning several times. Drain on paper towels. Serve with tonkatsu or barbecue sauce. Did you know? According to Buddhist tradition, Japan was a non-meat eating nation for centuries. It was only due to strong foreign influence that red meat was finally introduced to the Japanese diet in the mid-19th century. Kushi-age, also known as kushikatsu, is a popular Japanese dish consisting of skewered and deep-fried ingredients. It is a versatile dish that can be made with a variety of meats, vegetables, seafood, and even cheese. Making kushi-age at home can be a fun and delicious culinary experience. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to prepare and cook kushi-age in the traditional Japanese style. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com